Ever been deep into a project and realized you don't have the right tool? Let's talk about the Bomivoi 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set, a compact all-in-one toolkit designed to handle just about any job. Right out of the box, the set is well organized and portable, making it perfect for home repairs, electronics, and even bike maintenance. The real game changer? The detachable ratchet handle. You can configure it in multiple ways, like a traditional ratchet, a standard screwdriver, or even a compact stubby handle for tight spaces. That versatility alone makes it a must-have. The magnetic bit holder is another highlight. It keeps screws locked in place so you're not fumbling around trying to pick them up off the floor. And with 40 different bits, including Phillips, slotted, Torx, hex, and even U-shaped bits, this set is built to tackle almost any screw type. Now, it's not perfect. If you're dealing with really deep screws, the bit length might be a little short, and if you've got larger hands, the handle might feel a bit small after long use. But overall, the build quality is solid, and the ability to reconfigure the handle makes it incredibly versatile. If you want a reliable, space-saving screwdriver set that can adapt to almost any situation, this is one worth checking out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews.